Hey, healthy humans. It's time to say goodbye to those post-holiday food comas and hello to a fresh start. Today we're making a vibrant winter salad that's so good, even your taste buds will thank you for their New Year's resolution. And don't worry, this recipe is as easy as finding leftover Christmas cookies in your pantry. Let's get chopping. Alright, let's talk ingredients. You'll need 4 cups of kale, chopped and destemmed, because no one likes biting into a branch. 2 cups of roasted butternut squash for that sweet caramelized goodness. Half a cup of pomegranate seeds, which are basically nature's candy. Half a cup of crumbled goat cheese. Optional but highly encouraged for those creamy vibes. Half a cup of toasted pecans, or walnuts if you're feeling wild. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup. Pick your sweetener mood. And of course, salt and pepper to taste. First up, grab your kale. Chop it, destem it, and give it a little TLC. Massage it with a drizzle of olive oil and a pinch of salt for about a minute. Think of it like a spa day for your greens. It makes them tender and way more fun to eat. Next, roast your butternut squash at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. Toss it in olive oil, salt, and pepper. Then let your oven do the magic. Golden and caramelized. That's the goal here. Now, it's showtime. In a large bowl, combine your massaged kale, roasted squash, toasted pecans, and those stunning pomegranate seeds. Feeling fancy? Crumble in some goat cheese. It's like a creamy little love letter to your salad. For the dressing, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, a dash of honey or maple syrup, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Shake it up in a jar if you're feeling extra chefy. Pour that tangy, slightly sweet dressing all over your masterpiece and toss it gently. Voila! You've got yourself a winter salad that's fresh, vibrant, and packed with flavor. Bonus points, it's totally Instagram worthy. All right, my clean eating crew, there you have it. A winter salad that proves healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. If you love this recipe, or you're just here for the food puns, give this video a like. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I've got plenty more delicious content coming your way to keep those New Year's resolutions tasty and achievable. Until next time, stay fresh, stay fabulous, and keep tossing those greens.